Hello and welcome to your channel English with Hassan. This channel is for anyone who wants to learn English from the very beginning. Don't worry if you know nothing yet. We will start step by step, slowly and clearly. Together, we will learn simple words, useful sentences, and easy grammar. You will also practice listening, speaking, reading, and writing in a fun and friendly way. Learning English doesn't have to be difficult. With practice, patience, and the right lessons, you will see progress every day. So join me on this journey, and let's start learning English from scratch.
Let's go to the negative form. So the negative form, let's see the negative form. So the negative form is I am not, aren't, isn't. If you write, the first one is I am not. You should write it like this. If you write I am not, the complete form or the long form, no problem, it's correct. But it's better to write it in the short form. The second one, you aren't. If you write you are not, it's correct, but this is better. You aren't. You aren't. So learn this that we have here. I am not, you aren't, he isn't, she isn't, it isn't, we aren't, you aren't, they aren't. So try to learn from the very beginning the short form, because we use it most of the time in writing and in speaking. The long form, we use it just in writing. We don't use it in speaking. In speaking, you shouldn't say, you are not, you aren't, he isn't, he is not, she is not, no. So better to use the short form. So this is the negative form of verb to be in present simple. I am not, you aren't, he isn't, she isn't, it isn't, we aren't, you aren't, they aren't.